Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here with the Stibbert Stiletto. So, comes with a lovely leather sheath, belt loop and a chape. Nice. But then you come to the knife itself and it is just absolutely lovely. So, if you've been to the Stibbert Museum in Florence, you'll know they have cabinet after cabinet full of stilettos, and there were quite a few that were styled very, very much like this. So whether it's a local thing to Florence or whether it was just a very popular design, I don't know, but you see quite a lot of them. So we've got this sort of knurled cross diamond pommel on here, and then that detailing is extended down on the grip and then onto the ends of the quillen block here as well. So very often you'll see with stilettos that what happens on the pommel is echoed on the quillen blocks. And it is a delicate little thing, but I mean, the blade is 5mm thick. It's not sharp. Stilettos were almost never sharp. They're about poking holes in things. They're not about cutting. And then again, just a little bit of fluted detail up here. So this is a good reproduction of the one that was in the Stibbert itself. But what you'll also note is that the grip is tiny. It is absolutely tiny. But this is not the smallest stiletto they had there, not by a very long way. But there's a fantastic theory where actually, because they almost always have ricassos here, that your finger goes over the ricasso there. And actually, that gives you a very secure grip and it's in your hand. But the other thing as well is that that now is a very distinctive object. You can see that. Humans, our eyes are brilliant at pattern recognition. That says dagger. As soon as you start to cover it again, then it's a lot more innocuous. And of course, these were for the bad boys of northern Italy and Spain and Portugal and so on. So covering things up was exactly what they wanted to do. And there you have it, the Stibbert Stiletto, from about 1600 through to about 1700. And of course, it has a lovely spring steel blade on it. What a fantastic piece.